China reported just 32 new cases of the virus, all of which were contracted abroad. China reported no new coronavirus deaths on Tuesday for the first time since January and just 32 new cases. The National Health Commission reported Tuesday that all 32 new cases of COVID-19 were imported from abroad. 12 additional suspected cases were also imported and the number of critical cases decreased by 54. Nearly 90 people were released from the hospital after being cured, the commission said. However, China does not include asymptomatic cases of the virus in its count, and the Health Commission said there were 30 new asymptomatic cases on Tuesday, including 18 in the Hubei province, where the pandemic originated. All but 9 had been locally transmitted. China has nearly 82,718 cases of the virus and 3,335 people have died. Globally, there are more than 1.35 million cases of COVID-19 and nearly 76,000 people have died. China has been criticized for its initial response to the virus and was accused of concealing important information and data related to the outbreak. Even as the data suggests the outbreak could be ebbing, health experts across the globe believe China's death toll is far higher and that officials in the country have lied about infection rates, testing and death tolls. The global coronavirus pandemic originated in Wuhan, a city in China's Hubei province, where life is beginning to return to normal. Wuhan, and many other parts of the country, had been placed on almost a complete lockdown for 3 months, and China restricted travel for more than 35 million people. Cities closed public transportation, suspended nearly all entry into the country by foreigners, and recruited volunteers to enforce social distancing rules. Temperatures were taken in housing complexes, passes had to be given out to people who wanted to leave their houses, and villages were blocked off with vehicles and other improvised barriers. The lockdown in Wuhan will be loosened Wednesday and travel restrictions in the rest of the Hubei province will be lifted. People who have been medically cleared and given a digital health certificate as proof will be allowed to move in and out of Wuhan, and roadblocks and checkpoints are being removed.